Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to empty the dustbin on your ROBOROCK Saros 10R. On your Saros 10R, you can do that either automatically, so it empties it from the dustbin into the dust bag, and to do that, press on the dock button if you want to do it by pressing the button.
Emptying dustbin.
I've paused it because I don't have anything in my dustbin right now, but that's how you do it. Now another method is with the app, and I'll just get the app open, and if you go to the robot, there's another new version. If you go to the robot, you can click on dock, then click on empty right here, and that will empty it as well. Or you can do that manually just by putting the dust into the trash can. I'll pause the robot. Let's open the lid right here, and there is this dust bag. Now, sorry, dustbin. Remove it like so.
Removed.
Then open the door right here. Remove the filter. Tap it to dislodge the. Tap it like on the side of the trash can to dislodge all the dust. Then put the thing back in. To do that, to put it back in, make sure that you attach it on this side first, on the left side as I'm holding it right now. Then push it in. It'll click here like so. It has to click here, and then close it, put it back in.
Dustbin installed.
And put the lid on. And that's basically it. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.